Hi, and welcome to the INEOS Aromatics plant here in Wando. I'm Malachi, a reliability engineer.
And I'm Connie, a lab technician.
The plant has been in the Low Country for over 40 years. We make a raw material called PTA, which is used to make household items like clothes, furnishing, carpet, and soft drink bottles.
In January of 2021, we became part of INEOS. INEOS is one of the world's biggest and most successful chemical manufacturing companies.
And one of the safest. But we do a whole lot more than chemical manufacturing, like backing sports teams in soccer, Formula One, cycling, and sailing.
Taking on sports' greatest challenges.
Running a fashion brand.
And building the Grenadier, a brand new off-road SUV. We take our responsibilities as a member of the Low Country seriously. The plant's most recent modernization program reduced emissions by over 100,000 tons per year.
And we've been proud to win awards for taking care of the woods and wetlands that surround the plant.
We like it here.
Visit INEOS.com/careers if this sounds like the type of place you'd like to work too.